TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 104. You get the NASDAQ down 17. S&Ps are down 14.5. Gold contract is up $4, trading at $1,230 an ounce. We have silver flat at $15.40. You get the copper market flat at $207. Notes. The 10-year note is up 4 ticks, 131.01. The 30-year bond is up 23 ticks at 166.26. Now, both the 10-year and the 30-year went up yesterday with light volume. Intraday, pre-market today, go down on volume. You back up on lighter volume. What that's setting up, folks, is that's setting up the 10-year wants lower price. The 30 wants lower price. And in correlation to that, we have option expiration. That's saying that even with the S&Ps down 14, you're going to see this market try to claw its way back into higher price. King dollar. King dollar's down 40 ticks at $96.92. You get the euro at 110, and the yen is trading at 112. We go over and we take a look at the S&Ps. If we take a look at the SPY, this is what you have happening in the SPY. SPY right now went sideways yesterday, had light volume. Today you're down $1.34. That $1.34, folks, you're trading right into the gap. There's not enough juice on the way down, bottom line, to get into the bottom of that gap, which is the 189.89 price point. So what I expect you're going to see out here, and this is a highly volatile day, option expiration, all of the above, you're going to see the S&Ps, the SPY, start climbing up into this 191.46 area once again. We take a look at the 3 Qs, and by the way, it's going to be pretty hard for it to do that. Why? Because Asia was down last night, Europe was down. This is going to be a little deviant move out here. The Qs are down 37 cents right now, trading at 100.97. And what you have there, I suspect they're the ones that are actually going to lead the S&Ps on the way up. Why? Because the Qs came down into the gap, rejected the gap on the 10-minute chart. That is saying it wants higher price. The bonds are actually giving the best indication that bonds want lower price versus the market. And what it is this. 8:30 this morning, bonds go from a price point of 131.06, come down hard into 130.20. Now, at 130.20, we have high volume intraday down there. So your probability is pretty good that you're going to go test that level. That's on the 10-year note. If we go over to the 30-year bond, you have the same setup. 30-year bond did take the notes back up. Same setup, however. The 30-year bond had gone from a price point of 166.27 down to 165.22. It's a full point down. Big volume down there. The lows, I suspect, want to get tested. We go over to the gold market. What do we have? We have Friday inside the gold market. Bottom line, this is when they can whack gold and they can get it pretty good. Not today, though. What you have out here today is that what gold has done is that gold is actually pushing its highs with volume. This is pretty amazing when you take a look at what's happened in this market. When we went up last week, we went from a price point of $11.96 to $12.63. Big volume up there. We pulled back on Tuesday, had lighter volume. We're pushing now. We've already done 118,000 contracts. You don't have a lot of movement, but when you don't have a lot of movement and you're laying right into that swing point, that gold contract wants to get up into that 1263 area. So what I'm looking at today, highly volatile day, option expiration. What you can expect is that the battle lines have been set up. With the Dow's down 129, S&Ps are off 16. I expect you're going to see this market flat before the end of the day out here. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, give them a call at 855-750-4051, or you can visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.